Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your plan allows hotspot tethering and that mobile data is active. Carriers block this without permission. Once done, make sure your iPhone has at least moderate battery or plug it in to avoid shutdowns. Open Settings, tap Personal Hotspot, and toggle Allow Others to join. You're doing this now so other devices can see the network. Change the Wi-Fi password if you want privacy. This first step creates the secure network you'll share. Next, you configure the connection details so devices can actually connect. Tap Wi-Fi password and enter a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols. This prevents unauthorized use and data overages. Decide how you'll connect: Wi-Fi for general device support, Bluetooth for low battery, or USB for fastest and secure tethering. If compatibility problems arise with older laptops, enable Maximize Compatibility. These choices affect speed. So finally, connect your device and verify internet access. On the laptop or tablet, choose the iPhone SSID and type the password. You should see an active connection indicator on the iPhone. If Wi-Fi is slow or unstable, connect via USB for a faster, more reliable link. Just trust the computer when prompted. If something goes wrong, toggle the hotspot off and on, restart both devices, and verify your carrier hasn't blocked tethering. These steps fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.